Now, it's always a challenge keeping the kids entertained right through the summer holidays. We know that.
We do. The movies are one thing, but this morning we thought we would call in our mate Jacob Strickling from Make Science Fun to show us a few fun experiments to keep the kids off their screens and active and entertained during the school holidays. Good morning to you.
Thank you.
Now, we know we're burning money quite literally when we're buying gifts, but you're going to do a bit of it in actual fact here today.
Burning money without burning money.
Okay.
Give it a go.
All right, what are we doing?
So we've got some paper money here.
Okay, funny money.
Funny money.
Yeah.
Otherwise known as a greenback,
Yeah, US $1 worth about 25 Australian.
So I'm going to dip it into my magic solution.
Right.
Now I've got a lighter here.
Okay.
Down go the lights. Do you want to light this?
Do I light it?
Funny money up?
How do I get the lighter?
Yeah, that's it. And here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Looks like a
Funny money, but doesn't burn up. How good would that be at Christmas time?
Oh, how did you do that?
Well, it's a trade secret.
Okay, right.
It's like a fondue
Okay.
set,
All
that
right,
one.
fair enough.
Now, another experiment, a bit more family-friendly, this one. Be helpful if the Christmas barbecue gets out of hand, this one.
Absolutely. So little fire extinguishers.
Right,
Plastic
good.
bottle, bit of vinegar, bicarb soda in a tea bag. That one's for you. Don't aim it at Deb. Don't aim it at me either.
This is for a fat fire.
Well,
Is it?
any type of fire if you want. I'm just going to spray out this Christmas tree. Apparently they're very flammable. Yeah?
There's a lot
I'm
of
gonna
setting
take- I'm
things
gonna take
alike
this home
here.
because
So just in case. So the idea now is you turn this upside down like
do it.
this.
Right.
And let's wait. Here we go. Bicarbonate soda. Turn yours upside down, Tim.
Yeah.
Otherwise, those smoke detectors are out. And you can give it a bit of squeeze as well. Anyway, so if your Christmas tree goes on fire, there you
And
go.
what's the
That smells
bicarb
like the
do?
old school camps at Douglas Park. where we
Bicarb,
used to go.
vinegar, carbon dioxide, pressure, that sort of stuff.
That sort of stuff.
Okay.
Do you reckon that would help for a fat fire? That's just a bit of personal interest from me because I often have problems with my barbecue.
Barbecue.
I don't think so.
Keep the extinguisher handy.
But this is the big one. This is what I'm here for.
Okay.
This is the reinvented Christmas cracker. Okay, you saw it here first.
Yeah.
Sounds like a cracker to me.
Like this was invented by me 2 weeks ago.
Oh, good.
Okay, so it's exciting. Everyone loves bonbons. So you take two plastic cups, you put them together with sticky tape.
Yeah.
Take them up end to end. When they're taped up end to end, they look like this, yeah? Then you get a hot nail from your fat fire.
Yes, we've got a
and
couple of those.
You poke 2 big holes through the centre.
And here's
yeah?
one we've previously.
That's right.
Prepared.
Okay.
Yep.
Then you get 2 party poppers.
Yep.
And you put a party popper in each end with extra long
So
string.
you just tie a bit of string onto the end of it, okay?
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got 2 party poppers either side, and then you throw in all your toys,
Oh, on either end, yeah.
all your bits and pieces, and you throw in some elastic bands.
Okay.
Okay. Then you get the kids. Kids, come on out.
Some kids who we prepared earlier.
Here we
Kids that we
go.
prepared earlier.
We've got Sammy here,
Hey,
and we've
Sammy.
got Mickey here.
Hey, Mickey.
Hey.
And they're going to help us with our reinvented party poppers.
All right, here we go.
So now you guys get one each between you, the two of you.
Yeah, you'll
Okay?
get yours too.
Now
Sammy.
make sure you hold this. You got to hold this string
You
so
hold
that
that,
you.
yeah.
You
and
guys
then
get
the
one.
2 kids can
We'll do
one
it on
together.
3. Ready?
And then I'm going to do one
Can I just ask him a
myself.
quick, are you excited by Christmas?
Yeah.
Yes.
You are, Nick.
Okay, on 3. 1.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, hey, there we go. Here we go. Now most bonbons, that's the end of it, right?
Yes.
You get the toys out, you get the good stuff out, and
And
that's the thing.
what about the bad jokes?
No, there's bad jokes in there too.
Okay, good.
Now, with these ones though, you pull out if I didn't put so much hot glue on the stupid thing, you pull out your party popper, but the bonbon is not done yet. Okay? So, kids, here we go. You get your party, not your party popper, you get your Christmas cracker.
Oh.
Hey, there we go. And then you wind the elastic band around your bonbon.
Yeah.
Right? So, not only is it full of toys, the bonbon itself is actually a toy.
Oh,
See that?
no.
So, well,
like a
she was
flying-
practicing all night with that.
flying
but-
machine.
Like a flying machine. So
That's
Toy
so
Cut
good.
Flyer, it's the reinvented bonbon. They're going to be all over the place next Christmas. Okay?
Hours of fun.
Just send 10 cents for each one to Make Science Fun. PayPal, there we go. There's the right here, that's all
That
I
is
need.
great. Give it another go. You got the one before, no, but ready? Oh, there you
Oh,
go.
not too bad. Come on, Sam,
Well
can you do a
done.
good one, mate?
You ready?
One last one. One last one.
We could be
This
ready.
could, this
on,
could be
here
our
we go.
big ticket, mate.
Go, Sam.
This could get you. This could
The
get across
pressure.
the line. You get
pressure's
well, here he is now, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay.
He's got the red one. He's got the
Ready?
green one. He's putting the elastic about.
Okay.
It's flying like a 747.
Well
Merry
done,
Christmas,
guys.
my dear friend.
Thank you, Tim.
High fives.
Thank you
Merry
very
Christmas
much.
and Merry Christmas. Hope Santa brings you everything that you desire as long as you're good kids.
There you go.